Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the importance of true devotion or pure devotion in our life. In this world, most of the people cultivates devotion towards God to get some material profit like power, wealth, money, good health, etc. By God's grace, they get it. But this kind of devotion is not real devotion. Therefore, from this kind of devotion, we never expect real grace of God. Our Shastra categorically says that only through true devotion or pure devotion, that is devotion towards God, without any least expectation from God, that is devotion for the sake of devotion only. This is true devotion. So here Shastra says only through this true devotion we can attain the real grace of God, thereby God realization. In this regard, Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Samoham sarva bhuteshu name dveshosti na priyaha ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मयि ते तेषु चाप्यहम्. Here Bhagavan Sri Krishna tells about the greatness of true devotion, greatness of pure devotion, and greatness of real grace of God. Samoham sarva bhuteshu. Here Bhagavan says, I am the same to all beings. I am the same to all human beings. Name dveshosti na priyaha. To me, there is none hateful or dear. To me, there is no friend, no foe, all are equal. न मे देशोऽस्ति न प्रियः. ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या. But who worship me with true devotion, with pure devotion, are in me, and I too am in them. Here Krishna says about the greatness of real grace of God. Similarly, our Upanishad says, Anoraniyan mahato mahiyan Atma guhayam nihitosya jantoho. Anoraniyan. God is smaller than the smallest. Mahato mahiyan. Bigger than the biggest. Anoraniyan mahato mahiyan Atma guhayam. God is smaller than the smallest, bigger than the biggest. Atma guhayam. He dwells equally in all of us, in each and every one of us, as our core, as our Atma, as our self, as our Antaryami. Atma guhayam. Nihitosya jantoho. He is the well-wisher of all beings in this world. He controls all beings. Nihitosya jantoho. He controls all the beings in this world. However, His real grace is not equal to all. Only those who worship God with true devotion, with pure devotion, can acquire this real grace of God, thereby God realization. So, here our Upanishad says very, very clearly that only through true devotion or pure devotion we can attain the real grace of God. Thereby God's realization or self-realization. So this is the importance of true devotion or pure devotion. Hence, all of you, for your fruitful life, must worship God with this true devotion in your life. This is the hitopadesham for the day. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.